So do you guys have lots and lots of paper pads that look like this, like mine, that has just little pieces of scraps through there? If you do, I'm about to show you a card that you can make that are quick and easy. You can use any style papers. It doesn't have to be fall. It can be Christmas, whatever. But they're really pretty cards that you can make quick and easy and use up these scraps. Okay, so here's the card. These are little 1 by 1 inch squares. And then all of this is scraps. This is from the chipboard piece. And they're just some little cute little cards. You can make these in no time. Just cut you up a lot of little 1 by 1 inch squares and then just start laying them down on there. Quick and easy. And this is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 top fold card. Alright, let's get into making this. So you're going to start with just a standard size card base. And this is just a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 top fold. And then I have a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece that's a little bit lighter brown than that one. And we're going to put that one right on top. And just center it up. Okay. And then we have cut out some 1 by 1 inch pieces out of our scraps. Most all your scraps you're going to be able to get 1 by 1 inch pieces. And the way I'm going to do this to make sure that I can put these down pretty straight is I'm going to use my T-square ruler. Ooh, I couldn't say that. And I am just going to kind of even those up like that across using my ruler and then glue those down in that area. That's going to leave about 1/4 inch on all sides on these pieces. And if you don't have a T-square ruler, you can just draw your little line or you can guess at it. Just whatever. There we go, there's our first row down. And then we're going to skip about 1/4 inch, put the next row down. So I'm going to lay them on here and see about how far down I need to come. About right there, I think. So all I'm going to do is put some glue right down there in those areas. And just line it up with the one above it. Okay. And then I have a 1 inch by 4 inch piece that we're going to put right down here. But I'm going to go ahead and lay these in place just to make sure that I get about the right spacing on here. So let's come up about 1/4. Okay, there we go. We're going to put that right across there. And I just embossed it using a little leaf embossing folder. I'm going to hold it up to make sure that I'm getting it pretty straight. Alrighty. And then we're just going to glue these down. Okay, so there are your squares. And then I just used my scallop punch and I punched out a little scallop circle, and we're going to put that down right there, but we're going to put it on some pop dots. Like that. And then I have, just from the chipboard pieces, I have a little pumpkin. It says pumpkin season. We're going to put that right on top. And then I also have this little piece. It just says at the patch. And we're going to stick that right under there. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and clip off the end of this, just so that it'll come to the end, like that white does right there. And then we just have a few little pearls that we're going to put around, and I think I'm just going to use these little brown ones. These are from that same paper collection. There we go. And there is a quick and easy card just using your scraps. So if you have a paper pad like I do that has tons and tons of little scraps in here, don't throw them away. Use them to make some really quick and easy cards. Alright guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And we will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.